Today's the day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. Amen, amen, amen. Today's a new day. Well, it's a new vlog for y'all. Same day for me. But anyway, that's another story. Today's a new day, great day, grand day. I'm coming back with another video. Hey. Welcome everybody back to the channel. Welcome everyone who's new. If you don't know who I am, my name is Sabrina, virtual bestie, blah, 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 blah. Subscribe. Anyway. So today, as you see in the thumbnail title, I'm doing my refrigerator. Oh my God. First of all, the refrigerator is a hot mess express anyway because it's an apartment refrigerator and it's old. And then on top of that, I got 4 kids. I homeschool at home all day, 4 kids. And it's crazy. And some days I'd be like, I'm gonna clean it and keep it organized. And then some of the days I'm like, forget that mess, bump you. I'm in like a happy space in between both of that some days, depending on the day. But anyway, so today is I'm gonna clean up and get organized day. So woo, lucky for you, I'm doing the video about it. Anyway, so let's get into it. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. And then I just did a video. Make sure you guys check that video of the grocery haul shop with me. Make sure you go ahead and watch that video too. I'll show you guys all what I got and everything. Now I'm showing you how I'm gonna fit that crap in my refrigerator and how that's gonna go. But anyway, here is the refrigerator. Look, you're like a murder scene up in here. Ain't it a hot mess? Anyway, y'all, so I am about to like go through all of this crap, pull out everything, and then see what's old, see what needs to go, and yeah, let's go. Good thing I decided to clean today because my kids made soup and they decided to put it in a bag that was actually open, and yeah, it dripped everywhere, all in here, like super gross, super nasty. So good thing that I am cleaning it today. Now it's time to scrub it up dub. Alright, I'm going to start with this Dawn Power Wash Spray Foam. That's really awesome. I am going to end up cleaning this, this stuff right here. I am going to clean it, but for now I just want to start in here. So first things first, I'm going to spray all of this down in here. here is the fridge, nice and organized. Look at, so clean and organized. And then under here I got the fruit in here, and all of our drinks that we like, our body armor. I have some of these already in here, my kombucha and the coconut water. These are the snacks I eat. Like, I love these little snacks. This is kind of my snack area. And then up here, it's easy for the kids to grab their little snacks that they like. And I keep it basic, and this is pretty much, we don't really change too much. That's pretty much what we do. And then here's the side of the drawer, I mean, you know, side of the fridge looking better. I love it now. Alright, well, that's it for this video. I hope you are feeling inspired, encouraged, and all that good stuff to get your refrigerator and everything together. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.